Okay, I'm here to unbox the Momentum Niro Wi-Fi garage door controller. So this is supposed to control your garage door remotely using a mobile app. It gives you motion sound detection, infrared night vision, two-way audio, cloud storage, and it's supposed to be quick and easy installation. So this is supposed to help for you to remotely open and close your garage door. Let's see what's inside. You got the actual device. With the this is the camera. You could mount it on top of your garage door opener, and then there's like a base here. My understanding is that there's like a connector on that base that allows you to do that. It contains an accessory box, which, let's see what it comes with. A USB cable, presumably to power it on, with a plug, wire. I still have to know where this wire goes. I have to read the instructions. This is the metal mount. Documentation, user manual, warranty, 1-year warranty, and then quick start guide. Okay, I'm gonna do the install later. So what I did was to put my Momentum, it has a magnetic base, so I'm able to just put that in my furnace. So this is a furnace, and I wired the two wires at the bottom. So the first two wires are for your garage 1, the second is for your garage 2. So it's supposed to be able to control 2 garages. And then I haven't really wired this correctly, but I'm just gonna clean this up. But I just want to show you how it's wired on my garage door opener. I just plug in the 2 cables to be able to just control it remotely. So I didn't even bother to mount this Momentum on the garage device itself. So this fits in nicely. I inserted an SD card for backup. Other than that, I did a trial run and was awesome. I was able to remotely control it. So it's looking pretty good.